Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain everything about the blueberry plant, what it is, how to grow it from seeds, how many days it takes to sprout, and when the plant becomes ready. Let's start. What is a blueberry? Blueberry is a small, dark blue fruit that tastes sweet and slightly tangy. It's known for being rich in antioxidants and vitamins, making it one of the healthiest berries. How to plant blueberry seeds. Blueberry seeds are very tiny, so the soil needs to be light and airy. 1. Take a small pot or transparent container. 2. Prepare soft soil, cocoa peat plus perlite plus garden soil, or any light mix. 3. Sprinkle the tiny blueberry seeds on top of the soil. 4. Cover them with a very thin layer of soil. 5. Spray water gently, just enough to keep the soil moist. How many days until sprouting? Blueberries grow slowly. The seeds usually sprout in 25 to 40 days. This is normal, so don't worry if it takes time. How long until the plant grows? The blueberry plant becomes a small bush in around 5 to 7 months. Do blueberries produce fruit? Blueberry plants take time to mature. They usually start producing fruit after 1 to 2 years. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more plant growing tips. Thanks for watching. Tip 1. Keep the soil lightly moist and check it daily. Blueberries don't like soggy soil. Tip 2. Place your pot in bright, indirect sunlight for best growth. Tip 3. Be patient. Blueberries take time to sprout and grow, but it's totally worth it. Tip 4. Once your plant is bigger, you can gently prune old branches to encourage more fruit. Extra tip, always keep an eye on your plant. Small changes can tell you a lot about its health. Fun fact, blueberries are not only tasty, but they are also packed with antioxidants that are great for your body. Encouragement, gardening takes patience, but watching your seeds grow into a healthy plant is super satisfying. If you try growing blueberries at home, comment below and share your progress. I'd love to see your plants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more plant growing tips every week. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.